Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make a GIF on X. So you can create your own GIF inside the X application itself. To do that, of course, open X on your device, and then you have to tap New Post button, which is blue plus icon, and now tap the camera icon right here, and please make sure that you're on the option with a GIF. Now we have to start recording. The GIF will be created automatically. Also, you can tap Retake button if you're not happy with your recording, or select Use GIF in order to add it to your post. Additionally, you can add some commentary. Finally, when you're ready to post, you just have to press Post button in the top right corner of your screen, and basically this way you can make your own GIF on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.